sir. Nosy ass niggas. Who? I did? What the hell? That's so dumb.
I have a Nissan. My dashboard is lit up like a Christmas tree. In other words, every single idiot light on my dashboard is on and it will not go off. Why?
Electrical problem?
Fuses. It is definitely an electrical problem. Yes, it is, my friend.
Good, the fuses have gone bad?
No.
Is it just like a wiring issue? Or
No.
Or it's actually like components that are...
It is actually a component that is fried.
Battery?
No. But at least you're on the right track.
It's not battery, it's not fuse.
It's an alternator on its way out. Hasn't failed yet, but it is
It's getting there.
not working the way it's supposed to be working. Right? It could be overcharging, it could be undercharging. If you throw a DTC freaking scan tool on it, it is going to tell you what? Low voltage or high voltage all over every fucking diagnostic trouble code. You get what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Which is why it's doing what?
It's
It's lighting up like a Christmas tree. The car is giving you a warning that something is not right.
Something's getting too much, something's getting too little.
Or some just not getting it all. Maybe.
This is just something that you what? Pick up over time. How do I know this? I have what? Seen it firsthand.
And you're certified in multiple different things.
You know, the motherfucking student who had that issue, what do you think he did? When I told him you need a new alternator,
Tried to find a
he
cheap one.
argued and argued and argued until he finally went outside one day and guess what?
Alternators.
Car didn't start. They tried changing the battery. It started and the battery literally did what?
Died. Because the battery.
Because by that time the alternator had said
I can use the charger.
yes or no. The alternator told us no fucking so.
Yeah, because if I'm not sure if I'm right, but ain't the battery only good for like either like holding charges for the start?
That's all a battery does. It's a battery. It holds electricity so that you can what? Start your car. If your alternator cuts out, your computers and everything else have to live off that battery, and they suck that bastard dry.
But yes, good morning. I'm back on a Thursday?
Wednesday.
On a Wednesday. Hopefully you're having a good morning. Trying to get this education. Education.
I just want to get to the
Whatever.
tire machine. I don't care about that. I just want to get to the tire machine.
Word. But yeah. How you doing today? Oh my God. Where's Sean at? He here?
Nah, he's not here.
Ooh.
Don't worry.
Nigga. Look at what they got going on. Transactions. Like, this is crazy. Like, y'all really doing it, man.
Yeah, we're doing the gear ratio.
Like, this is really tough.
You got your stuff?
Nah, it's over there in the corner. I'm gonna grab it. Not the ammo box. The 50 cal tracer ammo box.
And they're 50.
We ought to been going crazy, but it looks like we might end up coming here anyway because we don't have these tables.
Yeah.
So. Just order this real quick. I'm gonna grab it.
Taking all this apart, man. Shit. Taking this down to the complicated part, to the different ratios. So you would stay at home.
I'll take it. You know. We up. Y'all. Holla at y'all. Scholars. Word. Yes, sir. Hey. Let me. Got my toolbox, huh? No, he said just make sure you get your toolbox. Get all your tools. Let me tie my shoe. Moving my tools. Yes, sir.
So when I'm saying that, you guys, you're saying, well, we about not having anything. Bitch left me with 70 grand worth of
Fucking
cash. Then I had
Black History Month, right?
Black History Month. Black History Month.
Alright, yo, that nigga doesn't support Black History Month. You on his ass? About to see Showdown.
You said that you don't support Black History Month?
You said that? You said that with your chest, right? You hate black people, right? You said that with your chest.
You say it. Say it in the camera.
You said that with your chest?
You don't support Black History Month.
I don't know. I recall you saying something.
Did you not say that?
Did you say that you said Black History Month? You did fuck Black History Month. You said fuck all that shit.
When did I say that?
Did you say fuck all that shit?
Did you not?
You did it?
So you love black people? That's what you're saying?
I love black people.
So you support black people? Of course.
I love my black people. I'm mad black people.
You an N-word spammer anyways.
Yeah. You got him, chat.
And you know what's getting none of it?
For shit. Oh shit.
But she kept running up what? Bills. Well, you don't know.
Oh,
Guess
where's the
what?
pen?
You did, I know.
The pen.
Now,
Yo,
Minnie is a perfect example. So, Minnie was raised by me after her expense.
What?
And fighting for 2 years to try to get her back.
Mr. Gregory, I'm just gonna put Greg.
After 2 years of fighting to try to get the kid back, what do you think?
It's On the back. Have a good weekend.
After 2 years, I get a phone call from.
Alright.
Where's my pen?
That's not your pen.
Where's my pen?
Of course, always. Fire shirt, Kyber. Show them the shirt. BBC, the best anime. Fuck what you talking about.
BBC, like,
Alright.
I gotta help my mother out, so I can't stay.
See you, Mr. Gregory.
Later, sir.
I had to skip that fucking that unskippable cutscene real quick. Man, fuck that. That was an unskippable ad. I ain't got time for it. Time to go home. Time to go home. Well, let me make a little pit stop real quick. Yeah, I'm out of see.
Y'all not free? Y'all not free? Get a better lawyer.
Get a better lawyer.
You in jail? Now we free? Oh, should they free you, Obi? Yeah, I'm
Look at these scholars.
What they doing?
Just packing up to leave. That nigga Scully. What time is it?
Hey, I'm tired.
1:31. He's talking about signing out. That's
Like, they
crazy.
niggas they done freed you out the penitentiary.
Nah, that ass freedom. Freedom boys.
Like it.
They trying to speed run a transaxle. Why y'all got a gun case? That's not safe. You know, this is a bullet case. You know that, right? That's not safe. Transaxle.
Let's go. Get this. What's this transaction doing here?
What is the trans?
What's going to be put away? She's back together.
This spin?
Finish. Put it on this table here. Push it back against the wall. Get that transmission. Get back together.
Y'all niggas is in.
We're doing it house.
Yep. I thought I was waiting on CV. I am not. So, I'm about to go home.